Howdy all. Well, today we've decided to put the dinghy in the water. We got it down on the trailer and realised that I'd left the bung in the boat, so up in the cat, so hence I've been for a little walk to get this. Mez is patiently waiting for me here. Hey Mez, say hello.
Oh, hi.
She's waiting on the stump.
I am waiting on the stump.
So there's
It's a nice stump too.
lots of sargassum here at the moment.
Sarcastic.
Yeah, lots of sarcastic. So rather than put the little trailer in the water, we're going to just launch it off here. There we go. Let's actually swap over these two bungs, I think, and put this one in. There we go. Bingo. Here you go, Mez. Alright.
Oh, we're still doing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All ready to go, I think.
Just make sure you got a rope out.
Oh, I've got a rope out. It's not the lined up. I don't think we're lined up, are we?
Don't know. Is there a line?
Is that about right?
I think so. The prop's got to go down between those trusty bits of pipe. Launching. Hopefully. Oh, or not. Oh, there we go. Oh! And it's off on its own.
Well, it's not going far.
Now it's stuck in the sarcasm. Well, it's in the water. It's probably not quite as pretty as we'd hoped, but it's in.
Only 6 horsepower. Here, and then to get through to Panamarina, to Linton Bay from here, we go through the mangroves. And just up around the corner there is Porto Lindo, and across the little inlet further on to Linton Bay. We're not going across there today, just giving this new motor a bit of a run just to make sure it's alright. Well, new second hand, but there you go.
Trailer Sands boat. I'll get it. Just got to return the boat trailer to where it belongs and we'll be right. Hopefully in 2 weeks it'll be the big boat, not the little one. That's the plan, Stan. That's the plan. Inside's pretty much done. Now for the outside. The Oompa Loompa's doing his thing. I think this job's going to be harder than the one he's just done.
Hey?
So I think this job's going to be harder than the one you've just done.
Yeah. Well, dirtier job anyway.
Just as well there's free cold showers.
Hey?
Just as well there's free cold showers.
Oh yeah, looking forward to one of them tonight. This will get the layers off, and then it'll be less to sand. We're still going to have to sand, but this will just get 20 years of, I don't know when it was last taken back to fiberglass, if at all. Certainly it's been 10 years since we've had the boat, and it's never been back to glass in that time. It will be this time. Go back to gel coat, and then a new epoxy barrier coat, and then 3 coats of new anti-foul, and then some prop speed on the props.
Chipping over some lumps of wood.
Yeah, so we're just
chipping away.
Scrape on the ground, and then just fold the tarp up and empty the dregs so that we're not spreading the anti-foul everywhere in the yard for now. And we'll just chip away at it, see how we go. Onward and upward.
It's going to be a long job. It takes time and perseverance, that's all.